How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you remember the MJJC Foam Cannon? I really like this cannon so much. I always use it every time I wash my car. But you know what? They don't only have foam cannon, they also have car shampoo. It's a foam cannon car shampoo. So this is a snow foam shampoo from MJJC, and it also has some aroma scent on it. So in today's video, we're gonna check it out. So guys, let's get started. So this is the MJJC foam snow foam shampoo. So this is for a foam cannon and foam guns. As you can see, it has a refreshing aroma and it's a super slick formula. So this is a pH neutral and contains palm oil. So everything here in the back here is the instruction on how to use it, and also some safety precautions in using this product. And in the back you have some pictorial view on how to use the shampoo to use in their MJJC foam cannon, and that's about it. So my car is really filthy right now, so we're gonna use the foam cannon shampoo and see how it performs. So it says here you only need 100 ml of shampoo and 900 ml of water, so you only need to put 1/10 of the shampoo to use it. And that's very good. Doesn't consume too much. So let's go check it out. Okay, so it comes with a nice bottle. So you have the instruction here. That's good. So that's about 100 ml. So now we're gonna fill it up with water up to the 1000 ml marking. Okay, so now we're ready. So I'm really impressed with the amount of foam on this car, as you can see. So it does make a lot of thick foam. So this shampoo, I think it works pretty well, as you can see. So guys, this foam shampoo from MJJC really does a good job in creating thick foam on the car, especially with the MJJC Foam Cannon. So I'm really surprised about this, because you only need 1/10 of the bottle and the rest is water, and look at the result. So guys, if you like this shampoo, I'm gonna put down the link down below also with the discount code. And also don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.